Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify DMARC policy and reporting for VPS email easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your VPS control panel. Locate the DNS management section. Find the domain for which you want to verify the DMARC policy. Open your domain's DNS records. Look for a TXT record that starts with V equals DMARC1. If the record exists, note down the policy defined in the P equals tag. If there is no DMARC record, you will need to create one. To create a new DMARC record, choose to add a TXT record. In the name field, enter _dmarc.yourdomain.com. In the value field, enter your DMARC policy string. A basic DMARC record might look like this: V equals DMARC1, P equals none, RUA equals mail to your email at yourdomain.com. The P tag can have values like none, quarantine, or reject. Be sure to specify reporting addresses using the RUA tag for aggregate reports. After entering your DMARC configuration, save the changes. Next, use a tool like MX Toolbox or DMARC Analyzer to check your configuration. Simply input your domain name and run the DMARC check. The tool will show you if your DMARC record is active and properly configured. Review the output carefully for any errors or warnings. If everything looks good, your DMARC policy is now verified. Monitor reports regularly to assess email deliverability and security. Adjust your DMARC policy as necessary based on the reports you receive. This process will enhance your email security and improve deliverability rates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.